Welcome to Q-square approach. In this video, we will solve the linear programming problem using graphical method. We have to find the minimum value of this z subject to the constraints x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, and the non-negativities are x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. In this problem, we have two constraints. From the first constraint x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, we have the equation x plus 2y which is equal to 8. If we give x is equal to 0 in the above equation, then we will have 0 plus 2y which is equal to 8, which implies 2y is equal to 8, which implies y is equal to 4. So the points are 0, 4. X is 0, y is 4. If we give y is equal to 0, the above equation, then we will have x plus 2 into 0 which is equal to 8. From this, x is equal to 8. We have the point 8, 0. X is 8, y is 0. From the second constraint 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, we have the equation 3x plus 2y which is equal to 12. Now if we give x is equal to 0, the above equation, then we have 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. From this, 2y is equal to 12, which implies y is equal to 6. So the point is 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. And if we give y is equal to 0, the above equation, then 3x plus 2 into 0 which is equal to 12. From this, 3x is equal to 12, which implies x is equal to 4. So the point is 4, 0. X is 4, y is 0. Now we have the points for the equation x plus 2y which is equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y which is equal to 12. Now we'll draw the graph for these equations. We'll take this as x-axis and this as y-axis and origin, and we'll take the points like that: 2, 4, 6, 8. The y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8. We have the points from the first equation, that is 0, 4 and 8, 0. 0, 4 is here. So this 0, we'll write outside of 0, 4 and this 8, 0. Now we'll draw these 2 points by a straight line. Now the name of this line is x plus 2y equal to 8. Actually this is corresponding to the constraint x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. Here we have the sign less than or equal to, that's why we have to set the region towards the origin from this line, like this. We have to set the region towards the origin, so this is the origin from this line, like this. For the second constraint, we have the points 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 6 is here, this 0, 6 and 4, 0 is here, this 4, 0. Now we'll join these 2 points by a straight line. And the name of this line is (3x plus 2y) which is equal to 12. 3x plus 2y which is equal to 12, corresponding to the constraint 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. That's why we'll write less than or equal to 12. For this line also we have less than or equal to sign, so we have to set the region towards the origin from this line. So origin is here, this is the origin. You have to set like this. Now the highlighted region, that is, this region is the common region for these 2 constraints. This common region, this is called common region or feasible region for the given constraints. Now we have to find this point. For that we will solve these 2 equations because these 2 lines are intersecting at this point. For that we have to solve these 2 equations, x plus 2y which is equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y which is equal to 12. We subtract the second line from the first, then this y and y will get cancelled and we'll have minus 2x is equal to minus 4. From this x is equal to 2. If we give x is equal to 2, the above any one of the equations, then we'll have 2 plus 2y is equal to 8. From this 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So the intersecting point for these 2 lines is 2, 3. We'll give the name for these corner points of this common region, this origin is 0, 0, and we'll take this point as A, that is 4, 0, and we'll take the point 2, 3 as B, then 0, 4 as C. The corner points of this shaded region or common region are 3 corner points. Is origin 0, 0 and A 4, 0, B 2, 3, then C is 0, 4. Now we have function, objective function, which is given in the constraint, is z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. We have to find the value of this z at these corner points. First, at the origin, we have the value for z is minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, which is equal to 0. At the point A, we have z value is z is equal to minus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0, which is equal to minus 12. At the point 2, 3, we have z is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. This is equal to this minus 6 plus 12, so plus 6. At the point C, it is 0, 4. So minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 4, which is equal to 16. Now among these 4 values, that is 0, minus 12, 6 and 16. Among these 4 values, minus 12 is the minimum value. This 12 is the minimum value. So the objective function is the optimum solution is minimize z is equal to minus 12 at the point four, 0. Thank you for watching.